In this video, we'll look at the alter or rebuild functionality in PyMon. So the model that we have rendered at the moment is from a PDB file. So a PDB file contains a set of atom coordinates or atom placements that PyMon reads to allow the rendering of the model in the program. So if one were to go to the PDB file and view it in a text editor, you would find information such as this. Everything that is necessary for the program to render the model. But sometimes errors slip through, and there was an error in this model. So if we have a look, we can see that this helix over here makes a very strange type of kink. So to better visualize, let's go to color and then by secondary structure. And here we can see the helix. So in order to fix this, we need to identify which residues these are. So if we click on them, we can see that it is this aspargine as well as a aspartic acid. So in order to fix this, let's go to the top console log, to the command line, and then we'll type in alter space with 4 forward slashes followed by the position of one of the residues followed by a forward slash comma space SS for secondary structure equals and then in inverted commas L for loop. And now the console log says that it has altered these atoms. However, we cannot yet see a change in the structure itself. So go over to the quick animation tools and click on the rebuild. And then you can see that instead of a helix, a loop has formed. Now repeat the same process for the other residue that needs to be changed into a loop.